My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Mercedes E-Class. This vehicle has done just over 66,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control, and we also have automatic headlights. On the screen you can get quick access to navigation, radio, media and Bluetooth. E-Class also comes with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, as well as a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.